guys, Aubrey here, back with another video, and today I am here with
Midnight Skies.
And Fizzy.
Yeah, we see that every video.
Yeah. But the reason why you see me on my spare account is because I got hacked. I don't know how it happened, and I don't know if my rares and stuff is gone. But this is what mine looks like, and I only have 2 animals, but my pets are still there and my rewards are still there. So, yeah, if you could please help me try to get my stuff back. I have like half of it left, so I'll still be able to do the 100 spike giveaway, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to do the contest one. Right?
Wait, what contest?
I didn't mean to show that. The, intro contest.
Oh, what's the prize for that?
I don't know. Well, I know what it is, but like, it's just not there.
What is it?
It's my buttons masterpiece, remember?
Oh, yeah.
And for some reason, it's full of an empty den with 3 masterpieces. I don't know what they're covered up with because they're still being reviewed by Animal Jam HQ. So yeah, I hope we get this fixed, guys. Good luck tomorrow. And I will show you if I still have my stuff or not on my account tomorrow because right now it is suspended. Cry. So yeah, I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.
By the way, were you crying when you